How to make a Roblox group in 2024. Now the first thing that we need to do is load up Roblox. Click on the menu icon here in the top left, and then we'll go into groups. Now once we have the group section open, you will see a list of all of your groups that you have joined, and underneath it you will see an option to create a group in Roblox. Click on create group and we can name the group right here. I'll just call it Net Help, and for the description I'll do Net Help YouTube. Now we can also add an image which is going to be the emblem of our group. So click on select an image from your computer. I'll add this one, which is going to be my emblem. And for the settings, we can make anyone able to join or manual approval. So I'm just going to leave it as anyone. And if we want to create a group, it's going to cost us 100 Robux. So I'll just click on here. Would you like to create this group for 100 Robux? Click on purchase, and this will create a group here. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.